I got an opportunity to learn at a Wafe culture village how they prepare Luwombo. Probably I'm so yet to get into marriage and do this for my man. But one interesting thing that you should also know about the Luwombo is that for the son-in-law, when you go to visit your in-laws, you have a full chicken. They prepare a full chicken for you in this Luwombo. So if you're a man and you've been seeing your girlfriend for some years, I think it is time for you to find time and go visit your in-laws, because you're missing out on something very delicious. But it also has a lot of meaning behind it, because the Luwombo is not just food, but there is a lot of meaning behind it. Why do they prepare it like that? What does it symbolize in marriage? A lot. And we are going to learn all this today. I am Irene Allen Namisang, and this is the DM Tourism Express. And I always tell you, I'm committed to uncovering all the beauties that we have in the country that should entice you and inspire you. Maybe travel somewhere in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Keep it tuned, Uganda Uncovered.
By names Senga Caroline Nambi from Wafe Cultural Village, found in Mukono District, Nachifuma Nagrama Sub-County, located at Kayunga Road. I'm going to introduce you how to prepare local sauce called Luwombo. When preparing Luwombo, you just cut the youngest banana leaf from the banana plantation. You steam it on fire. You remove the interior part. Then to make it soften, after that, if you are going to make a chicken Luwombo, meat Luwombo, peanut Luwombo, if it is chicken, you smoke it first. Then you prepare the ingredients. You can use tomatoes, onions, curry powder, green pepper, carrots, and so on, and enough salt. So you bring a basket, a clean one. You fold that Luwombo, that is steamed banana leaf. Then underneath it, there is a piece of banana leaf also to prevent your soup through without going outside. Then you put your pieces inside. You add on the ingredients. Then you tie it humbly, slow by slow. If it is a Luwombo for moko, you put that piece of meat called a gizzard, kokonkuru, underneath the Luwombo. So. Then after that, you prepare a saucepan. You put in the banana stems, a piece of banana leaf to prevent water from going into your Luwombo. Then you put your Luwombo, you bind it calmly to prevent it being leaking out. Then you cover it. After that, you put it on the cooking stove. Within a meantime, it will be able to be served out. That's how we can make a Luwombo, local sauce for Buganda. Now, today we are going to see Luwombo making of chicken pieces, but not for. I'm going to translate for Moko, but today is no Moko today. Are you Mokos of that day? No. So, here you are. Kati oleeta ebirungo byo nga wabiteeseteese bulungi wano ebifi byo. Singa ebadde enkoko oyinza okuba n'ebifi byo nga 10. Ebyange bitono temunnenya. Ebyange biki nebijja kumala abaana bange benkyaziza olwaleero. Singa luno Luwombo lwa muko, this is what we call onkoko nkulu or gizzard in English. Yeah, mature what? You just hide it behind here. That's the way if it is for moko. Why is it so? Ochikweke no. Then you add on your spices. You can put in tomatoes, curry powder, green peppers, onions, and so on, whatever you want. No soup in this virungos. As long as we never mazo steaming lang mazo bifumba, bija kola supu wabyo. Then, luwombo nga lwa muko. Omuko asoka kunonya this piece of gizzard here behind here. Encho muli basenga nga senga olwalero. Encho fumbira bawo ewuwo. Understood? Singa tanonya kintu kino. That's not a real what? Husband. Simani. Oyo ali fake. Ajja yenna asoka kunonya ki. Kokonkulu. That's the way to find out your lover's what? Yeah. Teka kakawuwo. Akawuwo kano kabeera kababuleko kuno kungulu. Kakuume akawowo ko olagano lwakoze eki lwababudde okuuma akawo nga konna kali munda muli. Abakyala, that's what we have these walls to keep your scent. Understood? Yeah. Andika ofoldinga luwombo lwaffe okulusiba bwetuki. Kawo kayinza okugenda. Olusiba bulungi ng'oluzingako bulungi. Tusiba oluki oluwombo lwaffe. Oluwombo tulusiba tusaako empulutulizo. Empulutulizo yamba okusumulula oluwombo tulisiba bututi. Oba lwa nnyama, oba lwa nkoko, oba lwa nyeeba, oba lwa magi. As long as it is oluki oluwombo. Oluwombo lwayambanga nnyo abazadde awaka okugunjula abaana. Lwabangamu enva nnyingi eza family. Then lwatekebwanga ku mmeeza y'omwami awaka. Temuga nti omwami agaba enva, yabanga n'oluwombo lwe special. Then ng'alaba omwana ow'empisa ennungi n'amuddiza ku kifi. Ow'empisa embi ne yeetereeza. N'amanya tebanziriza nsaagala kukola mirimu saakoza bintu. That's what we call oluwombo, luwumbawumba amaka. First of all, yasooka nkuddiza mukyala we aluteeseteese okumwebaza n'okulaga nti asiimye kyakoze eki kyafumbye. Bagamba okulinaana omukulu ataddiza olinaana empagi n'ekunkumulira omunyale.